We have many challenges. We have two different networks in our network right now. We have a HFC network, legacy network, and one copper network. And we are building our fiber network. So the question for us is how to integrate these different networks in order to get a whole network, new network, giving the services to the customers that we want to give the services to. We have two different kind of customers for fiber. One of them are the enterprise customers. We have already some customers that have fiber, but we have other clients that have been attended using radio links because they are very far from the main city. So the big challenge for them is to reach them using fiber. Those one kind of the customers. The other kind of customers are the home customers that are able to pay, they can afford the cost of using a fiber network to see television and use internet in a very high level. In Colombia, the content business is just beginning, but there are many opportunities for all the OTT service providers that are around the country and around the world. So for us, it's a requirement to have fiber reaching to the homes to reach these high speeds that they need to offer the content services. For example, for football games and those kind of things, what we can saw the last in the couple of years before was that there was a need of content for see the sports all the summer and all the time. So there are some people that want to have more bandwidth in order to have these services going in their houses. In a long-term basis, I think it's possible. If you look at the business model, you see, for example, 5 years, there is no business model for 5 years return of the money. But if you look at the 10 years and you deploy a very good network, a fiber network that have the capacity to be escalate during the time, maybe you can make money after the 10 years maybe of the deployment of the network. But in the short term, no. In the long term, yes, I think it could be possible. And if the operator also gets involved with the content providers and the OTT providers in order to get some money of their businesses, I think they can combine the access fees and the content fees in order to have a whole business model that works. Our countries have been involved in the broadband vision since maybe 5 years ago. Each country has a different speed to get involved in the broadband scene. But I think that the mobile broadband would be a very important fact happening in Latin America, since that will be allow to the people of the farthest regions to reach to the internet. Today, almost all the cities of Latin America are already connected, but the rural areas are not. So there is a big opportunity for Latin to get involved in the broadband using mobile devices.